Want to build muscle at home without any gym equipment? In this video, I'll show you a complete full-body workout that targets every major muscle group and helps you build a stronger, more muscular body right from home. Before we get started, remember one important thing. Always warm up before exercising. A proper warm-up helps increase your body temperature and prepares your muscles for the workout, allowing you to perform each exercise more effectively. For your warm-up, you can do spot jogging or jumping jacks for about 1 to 2 minutes. That's more than enough to get your body ready. Now let's move on to our first exercise, which is for the legs. Training your legs properly is extremely important because strong leg workouts help stimulate muscle growth throughout the body. For this exercise, we'll be doing forward lunges. Perform the movement like this and aim for at least 20 to 25 repetitions. If you feel the exercise is becoming too easy, you can make it more challenging by carrying a backpack filled with heavy items and performing the lunges while wearing it. This is an excellent exercise for building stronger legs. Next, we'll train the chest and triceps. For your chest workout, we'll use pause push-ups. When performing push-ups, lower yourself slowly, pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the bottom position, and then push yourself back up explosively. This technique helps activate the chest muscles more effectively. To target the triceps, we'll do diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close together and perform the movement in this position. If you're a beginner, start with 5 to 10 repetitions. If you've been exercising for a while, aim for around 25 repetitions of both the pause push-ups and the diamond push-ups. Now let's move on to the biceps. If bigger arms are one of your goals, this exercise will help you train them effectively at home. You can use a backpack or even water bottles filled with water as weights. When performing bicep curls, pay attention to your movement. Lift the weight up and squeeze the muscle briefly at the top. Then lower the weight slowly and under control. This controlled lowering phase helps your muscles contract and relax more effectively, which can support better muscle growth. Perform 20 to 25 repetitions. Our next muscle group is the back. The back is one of the most important muscle groups because a wider back makes your entire upper body look broader and stronger. For this exercise, position yourself under a sturdy bench, table, or bed and perform bodyweight rows. If you cannot complete many repetitions at first, don't worry. As your back muscles become stronger, you'll naturally improve and perform more repetitions over time. Aim for 20 to 25 repetitions. The next exercise will train both your abs and your legs. Place your feet under a sofa or any stable object that can hold them securely, then perform the movement as demonstrated. This exercise challenges your balance, trains your leg muscles, and also works your abdominal muscles at the same time. After that, we'll directly target the abs with bicycle crunches. Perform the movement by bringing opposite elbows and knees toward each other. This exercise strengthens your core muscles and helps train your abdominal area effectively. Make sure to complete 20 to 25 repetitions for the best results. Now let's talk about the shoulders. Broad shoulders make your physique appear wider and more athletic. For shoulders, we'll start with pike push-ups. This is an excellent bodyweight exercise for building shoulder strength and size. In addition, you can use the same water bottles from earlier for lateral raises. Raise your arms out to the sides in a controlled manner to target the side shoulder muscles. You can also perform rear shoulder movements to train the muscles at the back of your shoulders. Together, these exercises can help develop wider and stronger shoulders. One important thing to remember when training at home is to focus on higher repetitions. Try to perform 20 to 25 repetitions for each exercise. However, if you're a beginner and have never trained before, start with around 10 to 12 repetitions and gradually increase the number as you become stronger. As your strength improves, your muscles will continue to grow. All the exercises I've shared today form a complete full-body workout routine that can help tone and strengthen your entire body. Also remember to give your body time to recover. If you do a full-body workout today, take 1 day off before doing the workout again. Then take another day off before the next session. Following this pattern gives your muscles enough time to recover and repair, which is essential for muscle growth. Follow this routine consistently, focus on proper form, and give your body enough time to recover. Stay patient, keep training, and the results will come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content, and I'll see you in the next one.